Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to change your number on Domino's Pizza app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to change your number on Domino's Pizza app. We'll start by opening up your Domino's Pizza app. Then you can arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left hand corner, we're gonna see the three white line. Make sure you tap on those three white lines. Then you can arrive on this main screen right here. So as I arrive here, look where it says your name. Also it says like welcome to Domino's. So make sure you tap on that. As you tap on that, you can arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you tap on where it says personal information. Tap on personal information right there. Then you're gonna see phone number right there. So make sure you put your phone number that you desire to put. So you can just take that number out, then put your number that you desire. And once you've done that, look on the upper right hand corner where it says save. So make sure you tap on save right there. Once you put your new number. And that's how you change your number on Domino's Pizza app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial, as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.